Hi, you're watching Professor Plays, and today I'm playing Factorio. So the last time we got our robots being built, we don't have any place to put them right now. Let's see if I can make a RoboPort. And it was red circuits, right? Yeah, red circuits. Okay. We are, as I recall, very short on everything. Iron ore, copper. What does it take for these? 45? Yeah, 45 reds. Oh, we're almost there. And now what? Gear wheels. Okay, we ought to be able to find some gear wheels someplace. Who's got gear wheels? You do over here. Let me borrow some of your gear wheels without giving me all the pipe that you have. That ought to be enough. And now we can make one. So the way this setup works is this machine is going to make construction robots. In fact, it already has 3 in it. And that it inserts them into the RoboPort, which I will place down there. And there's some logic here, and it says I want to put until you've got this many. I'm going to change that to 50. And this one does the other type of bots. Put them in there until you have, not 520, until you have 50. Well, actually, it's available. If you click on the RoboPort and you say read robot statistics, then you get these letters, and you've got different statistics you can read. Available logistic bots is X, total logistic bots is Y, available construction is Z, and total construction is T. So I want, these are construction bots right here. So this inserter right here, I want available construction bots. And so it says Z less than 50. So if they're less than 50 construction bots available, it will insert them in there. And you can see them being inserted in there. There's 43 right now. As we add more RoboPorts, the bots will fly all over the place. All the connected RoboPorts, they will fly to those. And then we might want to expand that number above 50, but that's available. That doesn't mean total bots. That means if there's less than 50 sitting around doing nothing, it will insert more in there. And so that's what we want to do. We'll need to build many more of these. If I hover over that, you'll see there's an orange box and a green box. The orange box is the supply area. If I request supplies and I have logistic bots, they will bring the supplies to me, or they will exchange supplies between the logistic chests. Once we get those, we don't have those yet. And then all of the area, the orange and the green area, is the construction area. So if I put down a blueprint and the material is available in chests, the logistic chests, where the bots can go get it, they will build whatever's inside that big green box. If you have multiple RoboPorts and you put them close together so the orange boxes overlap, you see that dotted yellow line? That's all one network. It's all treated like one robot network. If I separate them so the dotted line disappears, these are now 2 separate networks. The green parts are overlapping, but the orange parts are not. And so they would not, bots from this network down here would not travel into the area up there to get supplies. They're 2 separate logistic networks. That's what that does. Anyway, I need many more of these RoboPorts to do anything useful, but at least we have bots going. And we're short on supplies. That's the major holdup. I also want to put down another store. I want to put down the store that builds those logistic RoboPorts rather. It also builds rail stuff, rail goodies, and we're going to need rail goodies to bring in supplies. So this is the store that does that. And speaking of rail goodies, yeah, so I better start building rail right now. So let's populate this store. This is the machine that builds rail. Let's at least get some of those going. So and I need stone. I don't have stone on the bus yet, do I? No, I don't. Okay, well, okay, I gotta have it. So let's get stone on the bus. Have to get these things started or we'll never have any rail. Where can I bring stone through here? My little placeholder for stone is right here. And it's, you know what? It's awfully dark all the time. I apologize for that. I should have put a mod in to make it a little bit lighter. So you can see, so it's not always dark around my character. Maybe I'll do that for next time. Stone can go here. Let's bring stone down here. And let's bring stone off of this. There you are. There's some stone. Stone. My placeholder is here. And I guess it doesn't matter how I get there, does it? No, it doesn't, because wherever I put it is going to be in the way. Anyways, it doesn't make any difference. Run on the belt so it's faster. How far down do I need to go? Okay, down to here. Ran out of belt. Almost made it. Okay, I need belt. Belt. Try that again. Belt. I need underground. I need long-handed. I need fast. I need a few more of you. Assembly machines. Okay, while I'm here, a few more medium power poles. Alright. And there's the stone. And stone goes. And of course there's something in the way. Well, that's why I do this. So let's put stone there. Whoops, that's not right. Let's try that again. That was too low. Stone there. And there, and there, and there, and there. And like this. Not like that, like that. And then like that. Alright, there's stone. What else do you want? You want steel and iron stick. Oh, we're not doing any research. What can we do? Yes, please. Rail stuff, rail stuff, rail stuff. Is that all? Oh, this one here? Yes, please. That one, that one. Braking force I don't need. Just makes the train stop faster so that they spend less time decelerating, which makes them spend more time hauling goods. But I don't need that right now. What else would be good? Worker robot speed. Yeah, that would be very good. What else? Stack inserter. I'll take that. What else? What else? What else? Cargo size. Well, that also makes them do things faster. Okay, that's good for now. Alright, you need steel iron stick. Okay, steel is here. Steel is here. Alright, right there. Oops. No, not right there. Steel iron plate go here. Where's iron plate? Iron plate here. Yeah, change my mind. I like to put the bottom, if I'm creating a split belt, I like to get the item that's closest to the end point onto the belt. So that would be this one, like that. I suppose you could do it either way. I guess it doesn't really matter. And then this one like that. And now this needs to be steel here. So steel here. And there, like that. And you don't need to be like that, you need to be like this. There we go. Okay, steel iron plate. Let's give you some inserters so you can actually do something. Do I have any steel chests? Yes, I do. Okay, that will put them in there. What else do you need? You need these. And you need raw material. Iron stick is what these are. And you're going to put them on here, and they're going to go up this way. You're going to get them off that belt and make rail. At least that's the plan. There we go, making rail. And you're capped. Yes, one row is good. Okay, what else? We'll need to make locomotives, that's for sure. And I want to make roboports, that's for sure. With everything being so weak, I don't know if it's going to do any good to populate these, but let's find out. Oh, it's red circuits, it's going to kill us. You know, there are some up there, though. Okay. Okay. Red and green. Red and green circuits. Let's see, I want you, and you, and you, and you, and you. You are red and green. One too far. You got a little zigzag in you. Oh, I know why. You need a little zigzag in you. Everybody needs a little zigzag every once in a while, right? So you need a little zigzag in you, and zigzag in you. There you go. And that's going like that. Oh, let's see. This is where we're making gears. We need power poles. Power poles and power poles here. And here. And here. Okay, and here. Alright, we're making rail. We are making... Okay, so let's populate this. See if we can get some roboports going here. This is going to need iron plate. Oh, this is not right. Did I get the wrong blueprint? I think I grabbed the wrong blueprint. You just can't get good help anymore. That's what I found. I think it goes like that. We'll find out if it doesn't work, right? If it doesn't work, I know I broke something. What are you? Your gears. Yeah, gears and pipe. And you need iron plate. That sounds reasonable. You're going to get iron plate, you're going to go there, you're going to make gears, you're going to put them on there. Gears and pipe are going to come down here. Going to go around the corner, going to go into here, which sounds reasonable. And stop there. What are you? You're going to make engines. You're going to go up there. Okay, maybe that's right. Lots of confidence. I'm almost certain that maybe it's correct. Copper. This is why we want construction robots, right? So we don't have to do all this. You know what I should have done? I should have made a few construction robots. Made another roboport. Threw them in the roboport. Gave them a chest with stuff. And let them build it. That's what I should have done. But now that I'm almost done building it, I'll build just the stuff we need to get trains going. How's that? And roboports. Speaking of roboports, what else do you need? You need steel. Oh, you need an inserter. That's what you need. Can I make... I can make passive provider chests. Those are the red ones. So I will do that. Put them down here in my toolbar, hotbar, whatever kind of bar it is. And what else do you need? You need, yeah, what's the red circuits? I have red circuits. Do I have any red circuits? No, I do not. Sorry, I can't give you any. And what else? These. I need to populate you. You're going to make those. You're going to make these. You're going to make those. You need some of that. You're going to put them on here. You're going to take them off there. You're going to grab them off there. You're going to put them in there. The little flashing yellow triangle with the 3 lines says this logistic chest is not inside the logistic area of a roboport. That's the orange area. And that's because there's no roboport there. That's why it's doing that. Okay, what else do you need? You're still waiting on. Oh, here's some circuits right here. Let's grab these. Grab those. Put those in there. Now what are you waiting on? Gears. Why are you waiting on gears? Because there's no iron plate. Or very little iron plate. Oh, everything's falling behind. Such a lousy factory builder. Who built this mess? Okay, let's feed that some iron plate. Here comes some gears. I wonder if they'll make it down there. Oh yeah, they should, because we're not stealing them for anything else. So we should get some gears in here. There we go, we're getting some gears, alright. Needs a bunch of gears, right? Yeah, 45. And that's all it needs, I think, and then it should build a roboport again for us. There it goes. It's spinning. It's doing the construction thing, and there's a roboport. And there's a roboport. Now, let me grab some robots and throw them in there. Give me your robots, please. Have some robots. What else do you need? You are waiting on circuits as well. Everybody's waiting on circuits. Oh boy. Here's a bunch right here. Let's do the same thing we did before. Little manual feed. Okay, let's give you some circuits. Let's give you some more circuits. And look, the robots are doing things! See, they're going over there, and they're grabbing the red chests out of that red chest, and they're placing the red chests in the blueprint, because now they have parts. And these are inside the construction area of this roboport. And so they're building the blueprint for us. And now there's a roboport over there, and they're connected. So now they'll build both places. So now if I had more of you, which I do, a few more. So now I can go over here, and I can put red chests in place of the steel chests, and now the robots can grab stuff out of there and build with it. So let's do that. Probably don't need any of those things right now, but we shall find out. Well, we needed some of those. The bots are doing things. So you can see it's a huge productivity increase when you get those construction bots. And as we get more and more... Oh, there's another roboport. As we get more and more roboports, I will expand the construction area, and then they'll be able to build more and more. So which way do I want to go with this next one? I probably want to connect these two networks together so we have more robots available. That looks good right there. Need to give it some power. So let's go some power here. Now the two sides are connected together. There goes a bot across. So now the limit on the number of available robots will include both sides of the network. Oh, and it's going up there. It's going to place a chest. There we go. And we're putting engines in a chest. Okay. Very good. All right, now research. What else can we research? Modules, sure. Okay, yes. Sorter capacity bonus, lasers. Yeah. Worker robot speed. That's good. I want that right now. You can see they're pretty slow. I can't do that. Logistic robots. Okay, I'll take those. And inserter capacity bonus 2. That just makes your inserters pick up more things at once, which is good. You know, it makes them faster in essence. And I don't know what else. That's good enough. All right. How are we doing on time? Oh, plenty of time. Copper's actually keeping up right here. That's pretty amazing. Iron is weak, but copper's keeping up. I don't remember, did I have room on the iron mine? I don't remember. Don't think... Oh, there's not really much room. I don't know if it's worth messing with. Definitely need to get trains running. Bringing in supplies. Well, bringing in ore. Iron ore, copper ore. Oh, pollution. How are we doing? So we're clear, we're clear, we're clear. That's the next one. That might spread quickly. That looks like a desert. But we're safe for now. So, iron ore. We have this big patch here, 39 million. I like to label them. We have an 8.8 there. I want to bring it in by rail. Smelting is here. That's what this is. This is smelting. So I want to bring the ore in and unload over here somewhere. I want to unload the ores here and bring them into the smelting. So I guess I'll tap into this first because there's copper up there too. So it makes sense to run the rail line up here, tap in there, bring the trains over, down, back over again, and unload over here someplace. That's what I will do. Do we have a bunch of rail now? Yes, we do. You know what? Can I make bigger armor? Yeah. Steel and, oh, of course, advanced circuits. Everything uses advanced circuits, right? The reason I want armor, the other armor, is it has more storage capacity. I can carry more stuff. So when I right-click, or excuse me, not right-click, when I go to my, press E and go to my inventory, this will get bigger. And so now I have modular armor, pick it up, left mouse, drag it down here, drop it on top of the existing light armor. Okay. And now I have more space, more inventory space available. Okay, perfect night glasses recipe. Oh, that's a mod that I installed to make things brighter so we can see better. I think that's a mod. Yes. So we can see better. I know it's awful dark on YouTube. Actually, I can make those now. Oh, wait, I need batteries to power those, though. I think. Anyway, I think if the mod is loaded, it should make things brighter at night around my character, so it's easier to see. All right. Rail I have. Are we making locomotives? Not if we don't put the stuff on there, we're not. We need engines. So the bots did not build this because these raw materials are not in chests where they can get them. Okay, we're making those now. That'll go up there, that'll go up there, that'll make locomotives. Alright, so that'll give us some locomotives. This will give us some freight cars. Okay, we definitely need those. What are you waiting on? Iron plate. Oh, it's okay, it's getting steel right now. Now get iron plate. Okay, and what are you waiting on? Takes how many? 20 engine units per locomotive. Well, we don't need many locomotives, so it'll build some of those eventually. Okay, and rail. We have rail. Alright, how much time do I have? I have time. So let's go up here and start planning out our rail to bring ores down here. I want to load from here. I want to load from iron ore. Let me get my rail blueprint. I use a double rail configuration. So if I put this, let me go to the map view. I want to be able to get both from the copper and the iron, and that's where I was standing. So that's about in the middle. That's pretty close. It's about where I'm standing. That looks reasonable to me. So let's put you here. Like that. And then we'll bring the iron, put the iron miners on there. Okay, so to load the train, I want not that fancy monstrosity. I just want to load on one side of the train. I think it's called load one side. Is that what it's called? I can spell. Oops, go away. Load one side. There we go. And so, like that. Should work. There we go. And then I put the mining drills. Do I have any mining drills? Probably not. Oh, I do not. Well, I have to put those on there. So, we're going to get the rail coming this way. It's going to load. It's going to go in there. It's going to load into the train. Then, do I have grenades? Oh, I need more grenades. It's going to go there. Load the train. I need a loop. I need a U-turn. U-turn. Train's going to load. It's going to go there. It's going to do a U-turn. It's going to come back this way. It's going to go down this way. It's going to turn over here. So I need a turn. Okay, like this. It's going to go that way. And it's going to go down this way. It's going to go down that way. And where did I say unload? Unload down here because I want to feed into the smelting lines. And the smelting lines are here. And I want to tap into the existing belt. So actually unloading in here would work. Yeah, that'll work. I just need a bunch of grenades to get rid of these trees. But that will work. I have a blueprint for an unloading station with a stacker that a friend of mine created, which I like. And it's called Unload All with Stacker. That'd be a good name for something that unloaded everything with a stacker. And let me go to the map view. And it looks like, which way does this go? Goes in and goes out. And unloads and stacks like that. So, like, sort of like this, maybe? Something was in the way, probably a pipe. Yeah, it's a pipe. Okay, something like that. May not be perfect, but I think it will work. Maybe a little bit too close here to make this turn. I may have to move this other one up. Can you make this turn? No. Yeah. So let's move this one up. It's not going to be able to fit with my stacker. I know, it just never works. Now will you make the turn with my stacker? Maybe. Maybe you will. I believe you might. Okay. I believe you actually might. Yes, you will. Okay, so where's my 90? Not that 90, the other 90. Ninety. Where'd you go? I just had you. That one. Right there. And you can go there. You can go there. You can go there. You can go there. Now, how does that look? Does that look reasonable? So, we go here, we mine, we go load the train. Train loops around, comes back this way. Goes into the stacker. Goes down to the unloading station, unloads. The stuff goes onto belts, goes into the smelters. Train goes back up here and loads again. Works for me. Okay, now we just have to populate this or let the bots do it. One or the other. That's a lot to populate. I don't have enough roboports to get them over here right now, though. And we are desperately short on iron and copper. So I'll probably have to build that manually enough to at least get iron and copper down there, I think. Because if I bring roboports over here, bots will start building everything that they can build. And I need the rail built, so let's focus on the rail. I do need grenades, though, because I gotta get rid of some trees. So let me go over and grab some grenades. As far as I know, the only way to prevent bots from building a blueprint is to delete the blueprint. I mean, they have their own priority. And I don't know if it's assigned based on how old the blueprint is, how long it's been down or not. I don't know. Grenades! I'll take those. How am I doing? I got lots of rail. Are we making rail signals? No. No, we're not. Why are we not making rail signals? Because I hadn't researched it yet. Let's put the blueprint down again. What's going on with you, blueprint? There we go. Okay, these are rail signals. I'll need some of those. There we go. That's a few anyway. Okay. So you come down here. There's some extra junk in some of these blueprints because they were made from games that I'm playing with my friends, and we have extra stuff built in those games that I don't need in this one. One thing that this YouTube series is doing is it's giving me the reason that I needed to clean up some of my blueprints, so I'm beginning to do that. By the way, if there are things like these trees in the way of a blueprint, and you have bots go out and build, they will chop down the trees. They won't interfere with them. Okay, so there's water going through there. And we needed a rail going here. And we'd like to get the water. Like that. Okay. Let's get enough of this built so that we can get some, that we get at least a train running. So this will come down here. Go here. Go here. I just want to get a train running with some ore. Ow. Really didn't need to do this part of that siding, did I? Needed the other part. Needed this part. Oops, too far. Too far again. Okay, signals. This is a chain signal. This is what do they call it? Rail signal. Whenever you have a merger of rails, the train is traveling up like this. I put a chain signal on the entrance to the merger or split, whatever you want to call it, and I put rail signals on the exits. Here they're merging back together. Chain signal, rail signal. 99% of the time, that will work. That scheme, following that scheme will work. Chain signal on the input side, rail signal on the output side. Sorry I'm zoomed in so far. Okay, so you can put down rail like that. Just click, just extend the rail and click, and it puts down that section. I don't have any stack inserters, but that's fine. Did I get any mining drills? No, of course I didn't. Okay, I'll get mining drills and put them up there. Anyway, you can put down rail like I was just doing. You just hover over the rail, press Q. You'll see this green triangle. Click. You can extend out rail. Click. It builds it. If you have a locomotive, which I do not have. Do we have a locomotive ready? If we do, I'll show you how to put down rail quickly with a locomotive. I did start that working, didn't I? Yeah, we'll make a locomotive. Just so I can show you a fast way to put down rail. Even if I have to handcraft a locomotive. Oh, I see one. I see one. There's 10 of them. Holy smoke. I don't need 10. Okay, there we go. I got 5. So, and I still have some rail. Do I have rail? Yes, I got lots of rail. Let's put rail right there. So I'll show you a fast way to put down rail if you have a locomotive. And the rail is up here. Yeah, there it is. So you get your locomotive and you put it on the track, and there's a front and a back. This locomotive is pointed to the right. You press R and it rotates the locomotive, so now it's pointing to the left. And you can press enter to get in it. It's wanting some fuel, and so anything that burns, it'll use for fuel. Now, I can do forward and back. I can place rail. Now, this is a ghosted rail. So in order for this scheme to work, you have to delete that first ghost section. Right-click. Now, hover over the rail, press Q. Now you're holding a piece of rail. Put that in front of the train. Hold down the left mouse button. Keep holding down the mouse button and drive. Now be careful, you'll build rail right off into oblivion. So if you reach a corner, you still have to do the manual thing. But that's the other way to build rail quickly, is to ride the train and just hold down the mouse button and it will build the rail. You can also do this, same thing I was doing, from inside the train. You can throw grenades from in the train too. So if there's a tree in your way, you can reach the power poles that are in the middle of the rail. You can reach across to this rail. So for example, I'm riding in the train still, and I can build this rail. So that's the fast way to build rail. is from inside a locomotive. Okay, I don't need to populate all these. I just need to populate one of them. So let's do the bottom one. This is called a stacker. All these lines going over here like this. And that's so trains can wait. It's like a rail yard. Trains are going to wait there to unload. Okay, which one of you is for iron ore? I don't remember. Are you iron ore? No, you're stone. I'm looking over here on the right. I want to hover over this ghost. Train stop, coal unload. Train stop, uranium unload. Copper unload. Ah, there it is. So I don't have a train stop. Can I make one? No. I've got to get some train stops. Anyway, there's iron ore unload right there. And this stuff down here is what I was talking about earlier. This is some other junk from the playthrough that I was in when I made a blueprint of that stacker. And so is this junk over here. So I'll clean all these up before I make them available as part of this series. That's what I'm doing. I'm going through and cleaning up these prints, which is something I needed to do anyway. So now that I'm doing these YouTube videos, it's good motivation to go clean them up. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know where that red belt's going there. Crazy things. All right. I needed. Well, anyway, where did I say it was? Is this one right here? Yeah, this is iron ore. So we definitely want that rail because I want iron ore. Oops, I didn't do that right. There we go. Okay, iron ore comes down that way, goes that way, goes that way, goes around there, stops at the train stops at this signal. We have to make an unloading station. It's going to go back this way, back up this way, back up that way, and then it's going to connect here and go back to the iron mine. Okay, so now I need a signal there. I need a train stop, and I need to build the unload station. How much time do I have? Ooh, I don't have enough time to do all that. So rather than go start halfway through and then pick it up again, that's where I'll stop now. So next time we will make a little note here. Build iron ore train stop. Okay, and then build iron mine. That's so I remember what to do. One quick look at the pollution cloud, and these guys are getting close out here. So we're okay for right now, but they're getting close. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click that thumbs up. I need some radar too. No radar anywhere. Next time we'll build our iron mine and get our train going and get some iron ore coming in and all kinds of stuff happening next time. So see you then.